Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I extract 3D models directly from Fallout 4 and Fallout 76. So let's get started. So before you get started, you will need to download both Fallout 4 and Fallout 76 in your Steam files. So first you're going to want to head to the link in the description and download Nifscope 2.0 Dev 9. The link will take you to this website. All you gotta do is scroll down, then under Assets, you just click on Nifscope 2. So click on the Nifscope link, let that download and install. And once that is installed, you're gonna go ahead and open up Nifscope. Now to get the files, you go up here, hit File, Browse Archive. Go to the hard drive you have your Steam files saved on. Go Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, and then pick which game you want to extract files from. So let's say Fallout 4. You can go Data. Then you'll have all these files. Scroll all the way down until you find the meshes file. Here, click that, hit open. So what this will do is it'll open all the meshes in the game. So let's say you want to look for a certain weapon. You scroll down here, click on weapons. And then all the weapons will pop up. Let's say Fat Man. Click on Fat Man, double click Fat Man Nif. It'll come up pink in the viewer here. You go up here to render and then click on textures. Cleans it up a little bit. So once you get the file ready to extract, the way that I do it is I click on the model here and then it'll pull up all these nodes. We'll scroll up to the very top and click on this first node, the 0NI node up top. Once that's selected, then you go File, Export, and then export.obj. And then it'll tell you what you have selected, just hit OK. And then name mine Fat Man 3. So save it wherever you like to save, hit save. Minimize that, it'll come up, you'll get an OBJ and a .mtl file. I'm not really sure what the .mtl file is, so I just throw that away. So with the OBJ, then you come into this slicing software of your choice, and you just drag and drop the OBJ. And that's how you have your 3D model. You should be able to pull pretty much anything from the games. So let's go back up into here. Let's go Fallout 76, Data. Scroll down until you find the meshes file. Double click. So let's say you want Mothman. So in the search bar, you can just type in Mothman. And it'll pull up all the Mothman files. Let's say if you want the Mothman statue, just double click Mothman statue, it'll pull up. Then same thing, click on the statue, click on the NI node, hit File, Export, export.obj, hit OK. Rename it, do Mothman 3, hit save. Save, you can minimize that. Come up here, drag and drop your Mothman statue in. And there he is. Now a lot of the files, they do show up kind of low poly, but you can take that into other software and you can clean it up and kind of smooth it out a little bit. So that's how you extract files from both Fallout 4 and Fallout 76. Thank you guys so much for watching, I appreciate it. And be sure to like and subscribe for more content.